In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can contact on Hostinger customer support. So after watching this video, you're able to contact Hostinger customer support easy. So let's get started. First, I'm going to Hostinger. This link I will attach in my description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. First, you need to log in here with your Gmail. So just log in with the Gmail. Then you can see here is the contact us page. Then is panel Hostinger. So I'm trying to log in here. So when login are completed, you can see this is dashboard. So what you can do, just click on help button. When you click on help button, here is the lots of option you can see. So you can select any option. Example of, so now select your problem. Example of SSL problem and active SSL certificate force HTTPS. Just click here. Then you can see this is chat now option available on my screen. Just click here for chat. You can see, wow, it's worked. So now if I select any option here, how to point a domain Hostinger, here's a lots of option available here, but I click on message. Wow, sent us a message. So you can see here is the three web Hostinger admin panel. Connect with you. How can I assist you? They are writing. So here are writing your problem. Then chat Hostinger admin panel. So if you have found this video helpful for you, please make sure you have like and subscribe this channel. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.